We're gonna drill the exhaust, give it an 1.5 inch hole right into here to try and get better performance and louder sound. You want to take a quick shot at that, Mikey? Inside.
There you go.
Yeah. We're gonna cut out an 1.5 inch hole in there, size of a 50 cent. And hopefully that will do the trick. So we learned this trick from the forums, thanks to Sergeant Mike, and I think it's OCT for giving us the tip. So I just want to see how it sounds before any modifications, and then we'll see how it sounds after the modifications, after you remove your finger from the mic. Thanks, Mike. Right.
I don't know who he's talking to.
Okay, so that's the before, and in a few minutes we're going to start drilling and see the after. Hopefully this drill has got enough juice for this thing. Let's test out. Let's start drilling.
I think that's it.
Yep.
There it is.
And this is the 50 cent piece, drilled out.
Okay, here we go. Now, let's see how it's... Oh, it looks drastically different now, as you can see.
All right. All right.
Mm-hmm.